Hey guys, Tank here. I just finished my HC4 and I did install a crane at the back of it. I was posting some pictures on Facebook and some of the users were asking me, how do I control the crane? And I told them with this guy. And some of them says, well, it's no good because you only have two function. Here's the problem with this is that every time you put this little thing for the battery saver back in it, this remote resets. So now it's going to connect to it. Now it's connected. Now if I push on some button, some of them work, but not all of them. The winch work, and there's a couple things that do work, but it's not right. So what you have to do with it, and every time you insert that little battery saver, it will reset. You have to hit the menu button here and hit number 2. It will flash. Now it started working right away. Now everything is working for the crane. So let's extend the boom. This is up and down. This is the winch. And then this is turning. So you do have 9, 10 buttons that actually work now. So the only thing you have to do is hit the menu and the number 2 button here. Well, it's actually the 3rd button. They call it this F1, F2, F3. So you hit the menu and F3. Problem is, as soon as you insert this back in there, the remote control will go back to default. So if you don't put that in there, you don't have to do it again. So just hit menu and F3, which is the 3rd button. It will flash just like I did, and then you have full control of your crane. Now you can actually bring it up and turn it. That's it. Everything works. Cheers, guys. Have fun on the trails. And go out there and break something, because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Cheers. Talk to you guys later. Don't forget to thumbs up.